integration of x power 5 plus x cos x plus tan cube x plus 1 into dx. Lower limit is minus pi by 2. Upper limit is plus pi by 2. So we can split the integral like this. Integral x power 5 dx plus integral x cos dx. Integral tan cube x into dx plus integral 1 into dx is dx. All of them will be having lower limit as minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now we have to check out whether we can make use of properties, because here minus pi by 2, here also upper limit is pi by 2. So we will check whether the given function is odd function. Okay. So case 1. First we will see first function, this one. Now f of x is given as x power 5. Next step, f of minus x. That means minus x into minus x into minus x into minus x into minus x. Now this will give you minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So totally it is minus 1 into x power 5. So next step will be minus f of minus x. So I have multiplied by minus, so therefore right hand side has to be multiplied by minus 1. Therefore you will get x power 5. Now just to compare these two equations, this implies f of x is equal to minus f of minus x. Therefore the given function f of x is an odd function. Okay, odd function. Odd function. Next we will check out for x cos x. So this is first part, case A. Now we will see for case B. Now f of x is equal to, we have x cos x. So we will check out for f of minus x. So this will become minus x into cos of minus x. So this is nothing but minus x. We all know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. Therefore we can write it as cos x. Now multiply by minus 1, that is minus f of minus x. So you have to multiply minus 1. So minus into minus will become plus. So x cos x. Now compare these two relations. F of x is equal to minus f of minus x, because f of x is equal to x cos x. Minus f of minus x is also x cos x. Therefore f of x is an odd function. Next we will check out for third case. So what is third case? Third case is f of x is equal to tan cube x. Tan cube x is nothing but tan x into tan x into tan x. Now what is tan x? Sin x by cos x. Similarly here also sin x by cos x. Here again sin x by cos x. So this is f of x. Now we will check out for f of minus x. So you have to substitute minus x. So sin of minus x by cos of minus x. This is first term. Second term will be sin of minus x by cos of minus x. Third term will be sin of minus x divided by cos of minus x. Okay. So the next step will be if you see f of minus x is equal to, here sine of minus x is nothing but minus sine x, whereas here cos of minus x is cos x, cos of minus theta is cos theta, therefore we can write cos x. Similarly the other two terms, minus sine x by cos x, minus sine x by cos x, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, so minus 1 into sin x by cos x is tan x. Once again we have tan x and then we have tan x. So this will give you minus 1 into tan cube x, 3 terms. Now this is what f of minus x. Now minus f of minus x. Now you are multiplying by minus 1. So if you multiply minus, this will become plus. So this will give you tan cube x. Now if you see f of x is equal to minus f of minus x. Here also tan cube x. Here again f of x is tan cube x. So this confirms that it is an odd function. Therefore f of x is an odd function. Okay. So now if you closely watch, this is the question, this term and this term, all these 3 terms is 0 because we know the property. What is the property? If it is going to be an odd function, minus a to plus a, then the value of that integral is 0. The important point here is this lower limit and upper limit both should be same with the opposite sign. So for the, and moreover the function f of x should be odd function. So this is odd function, this is odd function, this is odd function. So these 3 terms will become 0. So finally what we have, only we have the last term. So what is the last term? We have integral dx minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now integral dx is nothing but x. We have upper limit as plus pi by 2 and lower limit as minus pi by 2. Okay. Now we know upper limit minus lower limit. So you substitute this pi by 2 for x. So upper limit is pi by 2. Lower limit is minus pi by 2. Substitute it for x. So minus pi by 2. This will give you minus into minus plus. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2. LCM is pi 2 pi. So the answer is pi. Pi for this integral. So the final answer will be integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 x power 5 dx plus integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 x cos x dx plus integral minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 tan cube x into dx plus integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 into dx. The answer is going to be pi, because this is an odd function, this value is 0, this value is 0, this value is 0, only we have this. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus the value of this just now we found is pi, so the answer is pi. Now more importantly, what you have to note is the property. What is the property? Integral minus a to plus a f of x into dx is equal to 0 if f of x is an odd function. This you should not forget. So making use of this property, the first three integrals become 0. We have only the last integral. The value of the last integral is pi. So this is the answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Nandri.